Villa Jerada started in 2011. Our main mission is to share a little piece of our culinary heritage in the US. We initially started with importing a really good olive oil from Morocco and gradually moved down to Moroccan staples such as harissa. And we also started moving to cover neighboring countries as well, such as tahini that we make to represent Lebanon and the Levant. Most people, when they think about tahini, they think hummus. But personally, I eat it every single day in the most simplest way. I eat it for breakfast, my toast with honey. We have been very fortunate to meet the team at Market of Choice. I believe that their systems of working with small local producers like us allow us to have a mutual growth and mutual success. We always communicate. They're always eager to learn about our product. It's great.